Hi, this is Neil with Residential Construction Capital, your nationwide construction lender. A question that I am frequently asked is, can your programs be used to finance major remodels or even a teardown? Yes, the lender's construction loan is for both new ground-up construction loans as well as remodel and teardown construction loans. In both scenarios, the lender can lend up to 80% of the total cost of construction. Equity in the lot or current home counts towards the 20% down payment requirement. For other questions that you may have, please see my other videos.